Alright, y'all, we back. So after like a couple of minutes later, I think the dog should be gone. And we should be keep on pushing. Hopefully it's gone. Y'all see it? Let me know. You see it? You good? Oh crap. It wasn't there? It wasn't there? Alright, cool. Oh man. Dude, how do you keep on falling? Oh crap. W bike.
Island where the hero falls.
What?
I said that.
You weird. He's weird. Don't worry about him. Me? Recording? Oh. The YouTube video? Yeah. I got me a YouTube channel. How about like 5 more laps, then we could go to the school. Like. Where's Granny? Oh, never mind. We can't go to school. Hopefully it doesn't come back.
The hardest part about riding a bike is the hills.
Yeah.
That is like the hardest way out of all. Because with the hills, going down you go really fast, and then
Going up, you slow down. the ball up real quick. There's a lot of siren that's going off right now.
Huh? What is? Are you talking to a bee? Wait.
I didn't know bees can communicate with humans.
Where's it at? Mommy, they can sense fear. Don't be scared. You said what?
In between it.
That's
That's a big bee.
Yeah, it'd be out there with the fire, not up there with the chairs. Ain't nothing for free. Get your little honey and go and take it back to the hive.
Oh,
They
no.
got a shot yesterday, bud.
Why?
That I was due for the shots. Tetanus shots. Supposed to get it every 10 years. No, still.
I gotta get shot at 11.
You gotta get more than one shot of the water.
yeah.
For real?
Yep, you do.
Can they black me out?
No.
Of course they can, bro. Come on. Now.
I don't know if looking bird was false.
No. Is it gonna hurt?
Probably not right that long. Well, it didn't hurt when he stuck the needle in, but it's hurting it's the formula or whatever it is. It's hurting now.
I feel like
It won't hurt.
before I got
So
a
you gotta
shot,
massage it.
I got a shot before. And wait, how many shots do I have to take?
Like 3.
3?
All these damn birds, they fight with them.
They're coming back from the south.
These wild animals, man.
Oh, this that nigga that was close. I'm like, what's happening? It's like 3 nests in this tree. And one in one of these gutters. You got birds all over around it. You know.
This is birds view.
Oh, it's 2 of them now.
God damn.
Go.
One way, and then
I ain't food to you. Man. I ain't no liquid.
blue in here.
I ain't no liquid, cuz.
Mommy, what if he just come out and try to sting you?
I did that. That hurt.
I'm about to go get me a water.
And get that bottle, because I'm sure it's yours, and I poured the rest of it on the porch. You spit on the porch, it was nasty. Get that bottle. You.
Oh, crap.
Oh, that's cute. Come on, grandbaby.
Oh, man.
Hey, but that ain't no mail that ain't coming. Is there even food over there?
No way.
Where do all these birds come from?
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. Find for rocks, pebbles, or something.
That's a lot. I'm gonna throw some bread in here for them so they can eat. So they can eat.
Can I throw some bread too? Dang, that's a lot. That's a lot of birds I saw.
all we got to be wasting. It's just buns. But here, you got to tear it apart.
Alright.
Cause I ain't got no bread. I can't get to the stove. And I got a few pieces left. Just got to tear it up and move it to it. You can throw it in the street or you can throw it over there in the yard. In the tree. Don't throw it by the car. Just kind of throw it either over here in the yard or like this out. I wouldn't say out the street. Maybe just in the yard. They'll come and get it eventually.
Feeding the birds out here, cuz. You know how it be for these animals, man. Oh. Yep. Yep. That's good.
That's your bike. That's your bike.
Sunday. Okay, well. What's up, man?
Good. Alright, that should be all. Hopefully the birds will come and get it soon. Anyways, I'm gonna play some football.
Okay, thank you.
Bye, Uncle Ike.
Well, yeah. Place it up somewhere.
Alright. How about right here? That should be good.
Maybe. Sorry, God. Let me guess. How do I flip? How do I turn it?
Yeah, I'm just gonna have to keep it like that. There we go. Dude, what are you doing?
I know there has to be a way to flip it.
Don't press the red button.